Imagine have a 50 signals in a day, with each signal giving you $2 per trade. That is $100 per day. In 5 days, that will be 500. That is how simple. This strategy has the capacity of giving you that. It has the capacity of giving you 50 signals in a day, which lowest lot size you have $2 per trade, $100 per day. This is how you can raise your $10 account to $500 in a week. You understand? So this strategy is very simple. You just have to put your chart on a last zoom, that is the biggest zoom. You understand? Then add these indicators to your chart and follow the instruction I'm going to give you. Don't skip any minute or any seconds of this video. My name is Akiola King. I am the lead instructor. Welcome to KingFX Academy YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you to this video. So before I proceed, let me quickly explain something about this strategy before I show you the indicator setting. You can see on the main chart, I have two moving average, the black and the red. The black is 6, while the red is 4 period. It's linear weight. You understand? While on the indicator window, I have my RSI, MACD, and moving average, linear weight moving average. So how does this combination of indicators give us a successful signal, a successful strategy to trade? You understand? You can see on the RSI, we have level 90, 80, 50, level 20, 10. You understand? So the main focus is the level 90 and the level 10. You understand? That level play a core role, a big role in this strategy. You understand? So let me show you the settings now before I come back to the video and tells you how the strategies work. On the main chart, like I said earlier, the red color, black color is a 6 period. Method is linear weight applied to weighted close. Take note of that. You can take screenshots. You understand? Then go back. The second one is 4 period, linear weight again, weighted close. You can choose any color of your choice. That is on the main chart. Now let's go to the indicator window. The first indicator on the indicator window one is RSI, relative strength index. In this place, all the parameters you need is under the level. You don't need any other thing. Just come to the level, then add all these levels to your chart: 0, 10, 20, 50, 80, 90, 100. Those are the levels you can see on the screen here. Just screenshot it. You understand? You can add it later. So the next indicators to look at is MACD, moving average convergence divergence. We have fast EMA of 60 and we have slow EMA of 5, while MACD SMA is 3. Apply to close. We don't need under this, come to the style, under main, we don't need this main. So change it to background color of your chart. You understand? So I'm using white background. That is why I'm using white. So under the signal, you can choose any color of your style and choose like 3 to 4 pixel. You understand? So that you can have thicker, it can clear very well. So the last indicator, sorry, let me explain something on this RSI too. So under the style here, we don't need this. So choose background color of your chart there also, like you did on the MACD. So the next indicator we are going to look at is moving average. So under this moving average is we have period 6, shift to 0, method linear weight again, apply to weighted close again. Then click on close. Here choose any color of your choice. I choose black. Then click on save. So if you add everything very well, you should be able to get something like this on your chart right away. You understand? So how does these strategies work? whenever the moving average, our moving average is the black one under the indicator window. This is our moving average, while this is the MACD. You understand? So you can see that those two moving average here works opposite. You understand? One goes up while the other one down. Is because of the spike. You understand? So whenever the spike happen and it drag the moving average to the level 10 of RSI and drag the MACD to the level 90 of RSI again. This is not going to happen immediately after the spike. It's happened gradually. The moving average will be moving there. There's something you should take note once you have this. Once you see that these two moving average get to the level 19 and 10, make sure you track your chart. Make sure it doesn't faint, like it stay there. If you shake your chart, make sure that touch doesn't faint. It sits there. You understand? So the next thing to be waiting for is the cross on the main chart. You understand? Is the cross on the main chart. Once you can confirm the cross, you are good to go for your 10 candles. You are getting 10 candle. With 10 candle, you should be able to have up to $5 profit. I just cut it short. Like maybe if you don't have the mind to get to the 10 candle, you can close at 5 candle. You still have your $2. But if you get to the 5 candle, you can have up to $5. You understand? With 25 with just 10 signals. You understand? You will have your $50. With 20 signals, you have your $100 if you are taking 10 candles. You understand? So that is just it. You wait for the crosses here. That is how simple and powerful the strategy is. You understand? The strategy is very effective from boom 1000, crash 1500 markets. Spike occur often on 300 markets. You understand? That is why the strategy is very good on 1500 markets. Take note of that. You understand? You can do this strategy is very good to go on a challenge by raising $10 to 1000, raising $5 to 100. So it depends on you. You understand? So, guys, take note of everything that you heard or seen in this video. If you don't understand, you can watch the video again and again, or send me a message, send me a DM. My WhatsApp contact is in the description. Join our Telegram channel for free signals. You understand? And you have access to every strategy we drop before it gets to here. You understand? So, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Always trade responsible.